Here we are at Eddie the Elf's house. Have you ever been here, Micah, to Eddie the Elf's?
That's his
Well, let's
house.
go ahead. Go ahead and walk up to the door there.
Hi,
Oh, he's here.
how's it going?
Good.
What's your name? Hi, Donovan. How you doing? My first Donovan of the year.
I'm Donovan.
Donovan? Donovan, I'm calling Donovan. Okay. How's it going, Donovan? You been here before? How many times?
About every year.
About every year, huh? Good. Once a year, kind of thing?
We do have some first-time Eddie the Elfers here, though.
Yeah.
How about you, Micah? Say hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
Are you Italian? Because it's Micah. You
She
put
might
on
not
the end of
know.
everything, it's Italian. So you're Micah. Are you Micah?
Yeah.
Hi, Micah. How are you?
Good.
How old are you?
4.
4. Nice.
Donovan 6.
And Donovan 6. So, Donovan, what do you want for Christmas?
A Harry Potter one.
Not hit anybody with that, are you?
Yep.
Okay. Check. Tap people on the head with your wand. Anything else?
The Harry Potter one would be Voldemort.
Really?
Yes.
You're a Harry Potter dude?
Yeah.
Did you see all the movies?
No.
Not old enough to see all of them either.
I just haven't seen the second movie.
They're pretty scary, the last ones.
Yeah.
Micah, what do you want for Christmas?
The rain's falling off the top. The rain's dripping off the top.
The rain's dripping off the roof?
Yeah.
It's better than dripping on me. Yeah. So how you doing? What do you want for Christmas?
I forgot.
Izod?
How about you think about it, Micah?
Doesn't know.
Can you think of anything?
I always forgot.
What about the 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed?
So you remember something?